Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to create these viral AI girlfriend videos that are blowing up on Instagram and TikTok right now, racking up millions of views. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make your own. Let's dive in. Open your browser and go to this website. Create an account and sign in. You will get 200 credits for free to create videos. Now click on this icon and select your photo. Write this prompt in this box and then click Create Video. It will take a few minutes and your video will be ready to download. By the way, you can get this prompt in my Telegram channel. Download the video and import it on CapCut to remove the watermark. I hope you can do this. If you want a tutorial on how to remove watermarks, let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.